Hey guys, just a quick small devlog update. So I've begun development of the game, of my next game, Omega Squadron. The graphic is almost complete. I've got basically all the monsters, all the marines, and some props. And we got the walls for we got the tile sets for the various levels. Props, I've designed those for level 1, the landing zone, and some general props like keycards, ammo, credits, and some other general things. And yeah, I've begun laying down some general skeletons, bones for the game. If we launch the project, I've not made the camera move, so yeah. So this is the game. You will move. You can use a pad if you want. Let me take out the pad. You can play with the pad. Pew 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 pew. You can shoot. There is no sound yet. I have to make. Okay, initially I wanted to make the animation for walking go in sync with the pressure on the directional pad, on the analog sticks, but then the shooting animation while walking would be slower. The alternative would be to make a separate animation for the muzzle flash of the weapons, but that's stupid. Instead, yeah, you can also move, you can change your team members. Right now I've implemented only 2 of them, so you can change your active member. You can play with this guy. Obviously I do not have the working animation for the other marine yet done, so this one will result in this one. It's not overridden yet. And then you have a flashlight, as you can see. It works great with Unity. Look at that. And now you can open doors. You right click or you use interact and you move through the door in a very alien bred fashion. Light works fine, and that's about it. That's all I've done. I began the other day basically, so I've laid down some basic code. The game looks fine. It looks better than I anticipated. So yeah, I have good expectation for this game. Obviously I need to implement the terminal, we need to implement the pickups, the monsters, and all that yada yada. And yeah, that's the state. I'm gonna focus on building more key elements. Like right now you have the door, you have basic things like the door ID, which is the name of the object, which is required for me to save data, the status of the door. And we got the key required, we got the animator, we got Team Omega. This is a bit particular for me for develop because I have Team Omega with an inventory system that contains keys and credits for now. And then you have the single members of the team, which are the under actors, and they have like, well, not yet, I have to implement weapons, and weapons are specific to a team member, so they do not go in the inventory of Team Omega, if that makes sense, because the weapon is related to the character, not to the team, so it makes sense to be in the team member. And yeah, that's you will gain money. This, I don't like this when you shoot. This guy doesn't have legs. You see that? When you shoot this girl doesn't have legs. Maybe it's the pose. I don't know, but we'll see about that. For now, it works fine. There will be different weapons. Each character, I mean each class, because you have 2 leaders, each class will have 1 weapon type which you can upgrade. I'm drawing heavy inspiration from Alien Breed, so you have low power, medium power, high power upgrades. Or maybe I'll go with something more complex. You have armor penetration on the weapons, and yeah, the medic will have his biogun, plasma gun, and something gun. The engineer will probably have a shotgun, and yeah, that's about it. That's all I can say. Yep. Okay, so that's everything I have to show you. Thank you for watching. I will update you as soon as I make progress, so thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.